This is less of a specific medical device video and more of a repair, how-to component level thing. So here's a pin for a pin and socket connector for a Molex or the round ones or whatever. This is the crimping tool. It's the one I have. It has a pros kit. See these teeth down here for the crimping jaws, sizes for different wire gauges. There is a tension adjustment right here you can adjust. So what I like to do for these cables, take off quarter to a half inch. Say quarter inch is better. Make sure those all twisted up nice. Now what I used to do is trying to slide that in here into the socket and then put in the crimping tool and go with that. It's a big pain in the ass. Much easier. Based on your wire gauge, pick your tooth. Let's see what it is. There we go. Take your crimping tool, place it into the socket. You may have to kind of pinch this by hand a little bit. Slide this in and start crimping down. So there you go. You see it starting to fold in. Don't go too far. Just get it enough that it's not going to come out or move. Okay. Keep some tension on here. Then you can take your cable, slide it into the hole to where you want it, and then crimp down. And these are ratcheted, so once you start going down, you can't reopen it. You have to go all the way. Be prepared for that. And then, there you go. There is the crimp. Depending what you're putting this in, if you're putting this into like a deep socket where the whole thing's got to be in, you may have to crush it down a little bit tighter. My application is a TI chair, so the round connector I have to put it in, this whole piece is going to be inside the sleeve, so I can't have everything sticking out too far. Alright, that's it. There you go. Here is the one I ordered, in case you want this one, but there's a bunch of different ones. This one will actually let you change out these in case you're doing bigger or smaller gauges. I don't know what it is.